Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have Lysol laundry sanitizer, and I use this liquid on my clothes that I use out in the garage when I'm getting like really hot and sweaty, and you're in like wet, sweaty clothes for a better part of the day. This is the only stuff I have found to keep that like smell completely gone. So what you do is you just open this up, take the cap off, and then you just pour to your desired level. Close that up. Add the rest of your clothes. And then just run it as normal. And this stuff will take out any of the, kind of like that gym smell out of your clothes. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.